You know what I like best about that is that the Skyview crowd made a lot more noise than the Shangri-La 2 crowd did. We definitely know who the better track is, right? All right, they're just going to get it plugged in here real quick. Again, everybody, I need everybody to at least move up closer to the pole as possible. We cannot have anybody behind the building. If you guys can just slide down this way just a little bit more, I know everybody wants to see it. Everybody with little kids, please make sure their ears are covered in one way, shape, or form, please. How are we doing, Casey? Everything good? Paul? All right, I know you beat him last time, so I don't know, Casey looks pretty determined right now, though. Not that I'm trying to, start a rivalry here or nothing. We ready to go? Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the jet train! Takes it again.